Hello, guys. Today is Friday, 7th of March, and yeah, let's dive into my plan for today's session. Actually, it has already been playing out quite a little. Let's show it to you. Okay, maybe on the 15 minute, we can easily see it. Okay. So the first scenario I was watching out for is for price to revisit the 57.30, which is currently been trading at, to the 57.20s. Okay, this is a major support level. That is, I don't remember when it formed, but it's a very long support level. Let me just see if I can show it to you. Oh, yeah, I can. Okay. Okay. This is the level that I'm referring to. It started off in July 15 as a potential resistance, then price acted as a Then this level actually acted as a magnet that pushed price lower, but buyers were there to defend the level. And now we are testing this level once again. A little different situations, of course, but yeah, it is a very good level in my opinion. Also, we had the 57.75 around that area as a potential resistance, which also played out, but of course, well, with this current news, it's impossible to trade this, in my opinion. But nonetheless, this was my first level, and I'm still interested in it. Interested in it. Sorry for that. And for that reason, yeah, let's see how this plays out in the open. But yeah, this is the level that I'm currently watching out for a potential long play, targeting that 57.70 all area right here, around here. Then, if price can have a relief bounce, I expect it to break the pre-market resistance at 57.75s, and I would look for longs above this level. And I'm still interested in this play. I don't know what's going on with me today. If there is strength on the buying side, I see no reason for price to reach 58.03 supply. If that's the case, I will gauge how aggressive sellers are at this zone to potentially get short. This is the zone that I'm referring to. This is where sellers stepped in yesterday. So this is basically it. Currently I don't have the best levels in my opinion. Sorry for that. But I do believe that today can provide some levels. But I'm a little not afraid, but I approach this session cautiously because of two things. The first being Fridays. I don't know why, but are my worst performing days. Okay, I find Fridays to be or extremely trendy. Okay, so they just go in a direction and they don't stop. They don't provide us pullbacks, nor or continuation or consolidation levels. There is nothing, or they are extremely choppy. Okay, and I cannot find anything to play with. Also, the second reason why I will be careful today, I'm actually trying to implement this as a routine right now in TradeZilla, which is this notebook feature. I'm trying to just log my thoughts instead of having a physical notebook, which I had. I'm trying to write here because it's easier to then connect. Okay, this day, how did I felt before the market? If I felt like this, then how much money did I make? Oh, I ended up losing money. So on days where I feel like X before the market, then it might be wise to just size down a little or even go to demo. That's all. And for some reason today there is a lot of rain here in Portugal, And I'm approaching this session with cautious because I had a good night of sleep, almost 8 hours of sleep, and I feel good. But for some reason, I don't feel my body that well rested. Okay, and my legs hurt a little. So being seated at the moment is not the most comfortable position to be in. So I actually tried to do some work before the open related to college, and I had some struggle to do that. I found myself being uneasy, not being very focused, uh, and yeah, I don't know why, but yeah. And also, I just logged my pre-market plan, but that's not a red flag, but that's something to be aware of into today's session. So let's see if market can provide us some good setups or not. But yeah, let's wait. We'll just log this to, yeah, to this view. It seems better. Okay, this is a 15-minute. Okay. Hmm, okay. Okay. So let's see this open up. I want this to be looking like that. Just record this little very quickly. Um, I'll actually record this. Okay, just like this. Okay. So far, so good. I'm actually interested to see how participants and buyers specifically will play this because I'm interested in, sorry, in longs. So let's see if they can clear up this 57.40 and then 57.45. If they are able to do so, then yeah, especially the 57.43 area, which is around here. Okay, it's well visible here. They can hold value above this 57.45, then I see no reason to doubt Um, just resistance, just okay. Then I see no reason to doubt the buyer strength, overall strength of them. Okay, there's a disconnect here between the platforms. I don't know why this happened. As you can see, there is it happens when there is volatility, but it pisses me off a little, not gonna lie. Because I don't know. Okay, I do believe that now they are in sync. Let me see. Let's see if this break can happen at the same time. Okay, yeah, they're in sync. Because I don't know which of them is incorrect. Okay, but they're in sync now. This is the thing that I was talking to my colleagues from Discord, is that we haven't been seeing, especially I was talking this with Jason, we haven't been seeing a lot of time being spent within a certain amount of range. Price is moving way too fast, and it doesn't, look at this. It doesn't spend any time whatsoever in a specific range, especially on the 16 range. It's very hard to see because it produces so much candles because of especially that. For that reason, let's try it out on the 20th. Okay, we reduced them a little. Yeah, I will try this for now. Even on the 20th, on the 20th range or range 20, I don't know what to say of that. I still cannot spot anything relevant on the delta. And that's normal because if we take a closer look at the delta here, the max delta that we have at a specific level, it's 167. That's nothing. Literally, that's nothing. Okay. My delta filter for here, for the Motive Wave platform on the left side, is 100, meaning that this right side of the candle only shows delta that are greater than 100. In the meantime, there is this 57.45, which I will be closely monitoring. Let's see if buyers can clear this one up. If they can, then yeah, I can easily see 57.70 being tested. And I don't mind getting in on a pullback, as this will have two added confirmations, which is the 57.30 hold and also the 57.45 potential resistance from pre-market break. Let's check. Yeah. Nice rejection. so far. Okay, 57.45 is a tough level for buyers. Okay, this is nice to see. Let's see if they can keep up or not, and they can hold price. Okay, will this hold as a higher low or not? That's the question. Even though if it holds, not seeing much here to be honest. The 67.30 is a very good level, not gonna lie. But nothing too crazy that gives me the enough confirmation to really be long right away. But this is a hard market to play with, okay? Just see, this is on the 237 and 40 seconds, 238 and 40 seconds, okay? Price moved 15 points in 1 minute. 15 points in 1 minute. That's honestly insane. It's cold. Okay, there was some nice buying pressure here at 57.45. Okay, 57.50. Very nice. Let's see if we can get a pullback here into the 57.43s. Okay, nice, 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 nice. This is actually very cool to see. Interesting to see this as well. Large buying, large selling right away. Okay, this 57.50 is a clear level of interest. Very nice. Okay. There is clear selling absorption, maybe a big buyer getting in. Okay. See, there is some minor resting orders here, but like the difference from the normal uh, book to this is significant, honestly. So we have 30s, 40s, 50s, and then we have these two sitting at the 80s. But damn, okay. I'm definitely looking for a pullback here. Let's see if I will get it or not. Rectangle here. Okay, large selling here at the top. 900 in delta. Okay. Okay, this is a potential target actually. If we can drop and dip lower into the 57.43, this 57.60 could be a very good target. 57.60. Okay. Huh? Pozdrav. Okay, camera is good. This might be one of those days that it's hard to get in. we got to be very fast. I was actually seeing if there was any chances for me to get in, and I find it very hard. This could have been a good chance right here near the 5750s, but not the easiest, in my opinion. Not the easiest. Let's see, 5770. Oh, wow. There is speed. Strong speed here, actually. Wow. A lot of selling here at the 5770s. Look at that. 2K negative delta at the 5770 and 3/4, I believe. Yet price almost doesn't even flinch. Let's see how it will react. If it will be similar to previous, like we had on 244, or it will just go straight up. Wow. When I see this, like it's very hard for me to engage with this type of activity because from one side I want to be part of this move up, but I'm seeing this and I'm thinking, okay, price has already moved. Uh, price has already moved almost 50 points. That is a lot. Okay. So I will remain faithful and truthful to my plan, and I will wait for the 5740s range to play out, and I will see. Okay, 5746 is the my line in the sand on where I would consider longs, uh, but it is not easy. And with all this momentum, I'm actually consider, of course, this is okay, a lot more selling activity here. Wow. I'm actually considering, of course, if buyers can sustain this momentum above 5770s, then I'm all for it, and I will want to participate in this long play. Let's see. There's a lot of selling here above 5770. Selling is intensifying for sure. Okay, I'm way too zoomed in. Okay, this actually looks 10 times more decent. And this is the selling. Let's see. This is, I don't know. This is a little enticing here, but at the same time, if I get long here, where do I place my stop? It's very hard to figure that out. Like, yeah, I get along here, but placing a stop here really invalidates my thesis. Isn't it highly likely that we get here before even moving higher? So it's not easy. And what I mean by here, sorry, it's 57, 66s, for example, 65s. Maybe it isn't, and price will just climb up. I don't know. Also, Powell speaks today at 5:30 or 12:30, I believe, in Eastern time. So yeah, that's around lunch. Situation. Also, as expected, 57.70s to act as a potential resistance. Um, this level was from pre-market, 57.72s all the way to the 57.75 mark. Nice level. If I can get some form of buying absorption or something of that nature, then yeah, I would be willing to get short, but it has to really be a very good scenario. Otherwise, I'm not really interested in taking this short. Sellers are really factored in 57.70. Wow. Let's see if we can get something here. Okay, there is buying here. That's not too bad. Anything? 50. Okay. Oh, seriously. The bounces happen so fast, like it's impossible. It's not impossible, but maybe no, that it's not maybe. It's me. I haven't adapted enough to match these conditions. But like, look at this. This happened extremely fast. It touched this. It touched 57.45. It bounced. You made some consolidation, minor consolidation right here, and just went. Like it's already 15 points above what my entry point would, my ideal entry would look like. I would target 57.62, which is around this area. This is insane. There we have it, 57.62. Okay, this is just madness. I have no idea. Uh, these conditions. This is the hard thing about trading, in my opinion, is that we have to be constantly adapting. But since we are adapting so much, sometimes I get doubtful and I don't really know if my adaptations are correct. Like, So, for example, the the correct thing would be just getting in long, just because I saw some buying pressure here and just ignoring this all of this selling. And since we are at this key zone that formed intraday, we saw some buying pressure, then I just get in long because if I have done that, I would be very much in the green. Like I get in at 57.48, stop at 57.49, 44, targeting 57.62. Okay, that's around 14 points, risking around 4 points. That's 3.5 R. Damn, this is tough. Market is just moving way too fast. It's really not frustrating. I'm not mad, but like having the right idea, the right planning, but then failing to execute. Because at the end of the day, yes, I can not directly blame markets because that's not how I approach markets and trading, but blame the volatility is not the key here, in my opinion. But at the same time, I don't really know what I could have done differently. This retest was extremely fast. So even looking back, like it's almost impossible. Okay. If we are being honest, this has to be extreme. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how someone would get in here. Unless you just consider this as a very good confirmation, this immediate buying pressure and just getting long. But this is tough. 57.62 was a very good level. Still waiting if I can spot or if there is something that really pops my attention. If not, then I'm okay with that. I felt like the momentum has shifted completely. Okay, some buying right here. But no follow-up on that strong buying aggressive pressure. Wow. I felt like the long play was that one. And yeah, I cannot do much because it has already played out. This was the play. Okay. Not here, or not here, not here. This was the play that I should have been in, but once again, I don't know how. Because in my opinion, even when looking on back, just not possible. Off it goes. Wow. 57.20. Just a quick second, guys. Wow. Sell-off is just very intense at the moment. Like, what upsets me is that it doesn't produce a very good level. And very good levels to play with afterwards. Just trying to adjust this to link everything. I have literally no levels at the moment. Okay, this just saves me a lot of work. Now all my charts are linked, synced, and whatever levels I drew in one, every single chart replicates, and we can easily see that level in it. So that's very good. Okay. Market is really odd. Just 1 minute. But to be honest, with this type of action, I just not really interested in anything whatsoever. Oh, yeah, guys. I'm logging out. Uh, I don't see a point on being here. Like, if I look at these candles, there is nothing here. Okay, 57.30. Yeah, I can easily see this. 57.30, but even then, I don't know. There's something off about this. Okay, this was a very good play, but at the same time, we have to consider the context. There was a major rally out of nowhere where we rallied 30 point, 35 points in matter of seconds. So there is no way I could have top ticked this, okay, as with a short play. It's impossible. So yeah, I'm just accepting this. My zones are really not hitting. Of course, that I like to do this type of analysis intraday, but at the end of the day, what I really want to see is my um, pre-market plan playing out, or not my pre-market plan specifically, but my zones. Okay, that's really what I want to see hitting and trading. So that's one of the main reasons I also didn't trade today. We had that good setup, the first one, which in my opinion was a good setup. This was the best setup all day, in my opinion. But once again, way too fast for me. Okay. No order flow confirmations. Um, just this. Okay. There is buying. Yes. We cannot argue that. Okay. There was not buying to anticipate this. There was, but it was very, very, very narrow. The buying was just insignificant, in my opinion, to really anticipate the move. but that's how life works. So yeah, I will actually just do some college work that I have to do before the weekend, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm logging off. We'll try to review some trades, but actually I didn't took any trades on this week, I believe. Yes, I didn't. So yeah, hope to see you guys on Monday. I will be here on Monday and on Tuesday as my classes are um, restarting once again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, bye. See you guys.